The African Union Transition Mission in Somalia, ATMIS, has launched an investigation into a tragic incident in Bulamarer, Loba Shabelle, that resulted in the deaths of 2 civilians and the injury of another, sparking outrage and demands for accountability from the local community. According to eyewitness accounts, the incident occurred on July 17, 2024, when ATMIS forces, specifically Ugandan troops, entered a farm in Bulamarer and encountered 3 individuals. The soldiers then opened fire, killing 2 of the civilians and injuring the 3rd, who managed to escape. The 2 civilians killed in the incidents were local residents of Bulamarer, a town in the Lower Shabelle region of Somalia. The 3rd individual, who was injured but able to flee, has not been publicly identified. ATMIS has acknowledged the tragedy and promised a thorough investigation. The incident took place in Bulamarer, a town located in the Lower Shabelle region of Somalia. This region has long been a hotspot of violence, with the presence of the Al-Shabaab terrorist group and ongoing clashes between government forces and the militants. The civilian killings occurred on July 17, 2024, sparking immediate outrage and protest in the local community. The killings of civilians by ATMIS forces have sparked widespread condemnation and renewed concerns about the mission's ability to protect the Somali people. This incident comes on the heels of a similar event 2 months ago, where ATMIS troops were allegedly involved in the killing of a farmer in the same region. These incidents have further eroded public trust in the peacekeeping mission and raised questions about its adherence to international humanitarian law and human rights standards. Residents of Bulamarer and the broader Lower Shabelle region are demanding justice and accountability, alleging a pattern of deliberate civilian targeting by ATMIS troops. The civilian killings in Bulamarer have the potential to further destabilize the already fragile security situation in Somalia. The incident has fueled resentment towards ATMIS and the Somalian government, potentially undermining efforts to combat the threat of Al-Shabaab and promote long-term stability. ATMIS, which was established in 2022 to replace the previous African Union mission in Somalia, AMISOM, has been tasked with supporting the Somali government, building the capacity of local security forces, and protecting civilians. However, these latest allegations of civilian killings have called into question the mission's ability to fulfill its mandate and maintain the trust of the local population. 2 months ago, a similar incident occurred where ATMIS forces were accused of killing a farmer returning from his field in the same region. This incident further eroded public confidence in the peacekeeping mission and raised concerns about its adherence to international humanitarian law and human rights standards.